Hello, welcome back again. This is Gilbert the teacher, and I'm trying to create awareness for the learners with special needs so that we can all embrace all learners regardless of their conditions or without conditions. On today's topic, I want to discuss learning disorders or learning disabilities. And if I did in our old days when we were learning, these learners are used to being called slow learners, or some would call them fools, which is not correct. So, learning disability is a neurological condition that affects how one comprehends and processes information. The cause is not yet well figured out. However, there are some neurological impairment lying behind, and we can term them as some of the causes. Number one is the heredity or genetics from the parents. Number two, which is a very broad group, but I'll try to simplify, is problems during pregnancy. One of these causes, or of the problems during pregnancy, is maternal alcohol and drug abuse. This will affect the unborn baby when the child will be born later. The other pregnancy problems is low birth weight, where low birth weight will come as a result of drugs. Another one is prolonged labor. That is the onset of labor to the time the child is born. Another issue is premature birth. Another one could be anoxia, that is lack of or insufficient oxygen to the baby when the child is being born. The last cause would be accidents during and after the child is born. Well, having said that, I'll go to the categories. Learning disorders are divided into four broad categories. One is dysgraphia. This is a condition where a learner is unable to write in a legible handwriting. And if I very many parents, very many teachers urging their children to write well, it might be a condition. To curb this, you can have the learner play more with fine motor materials to help them be able to improve their pen grip and the rest. The other condition is what we call dyspraxia. This is where the learner is unable to control, or the person is unable to control their motors with ease. If it is easy for you and I and the other person to blink their eyes, to move their fingers, to move their hands, their legs, and another body part. For someone with dyspraxia, it's vice versa. Their body might move spontaneously without their own will. Condition or category number 3 is what we call dyscalculia, where the learner has challenges with working out with numbers. That is the number formations, the number place tense and place variables, total variables, the number follow-ups, the number before, number after, addition, subtractions, and the rest. The last one, condition is what called dyslexia. This is where the learner has challenges with reading. Well, for this one, and the numbers, that is dyscalculia, the easiest way to go through them is using what we call task analysis. Let the learner get each content slowly by slowly, rather than introducing all the vowels or all the alphabet just like a regular kid. Remember to share the content. Let us all embrace regardless of the condition or no condition.